Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is self-love, self-love. All the work that you've been doing, you're wearing yourself down, you're exhausted, and you may feel as though you belong further along the journey, and you're actually further along than you think. But being exhausted, you take for granted the place that you've been, the places that you've elevated to, so you may be burnt out, filling up everyone else's pitcher, making sure that you're filling up everyone else's cup. Right now, I need you to fill up your own cup, because a full Libra is a successful, balanced Libra, and that's unstoppable and an all-powerful being for success. So I need you to look in the mirror today and say 10 times, I am amazing, I am beautiful. I am amazing, I am beautiful. Feed that into your spirit, and you will be equipped for the day at a high level and efficiency, because I need you, and the world needs you at 100%. I attend to my needs by listening to my heart. Listen to yourself. You've outgrown things, places. Take some time to be in silence, being alone. That's where you become your most powerful self. You can speak to yourself. Speak yourself up. My inner essence lets me know what is good for me, what is not. I respect my limits. You're not missing anything at the party. There's so many parties left. You're not missing anything outside. Don't miss the time to spend some solitude, some time to yourself, so you don't miss out on your own intellect, your own essence, your own intelligence. I answer my requests of my mind, body, and soul. Thus I learn to love myself. It's time to love to be alone, being in your own presence. The strongest people find strength and ease with spending time by themselves. You get those personal downloads on what you should be able to go, what's the next step. You don't worry about what family, friends, mentor, spiritual advisors say, because only you know what's really great for you. You came into this world an all-knowing being, all-powerful being. We just forgot along the way. And spending time by yourself, it will remind you, you're not going crazy. You're original, one of one. Be confident to be that and leave your mark in this world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And I love you too.